Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to delete a folder on Synology NAS DSM. So to get started with a quick guide on how to do that, so the first step is to log to your DSM. So to do this, open the web browser and go to your Synology NAS IP address or your quick connect URL, then sign in with your admin account. Then step 2, you have to open the control panel. So to do this, click the control panel icon from the main DSM desktop. Then you have to go to shared folder. So in control panel, click on share folder under the file sharing. Then after that, in the step 4, you have to select the folder to delete. So find the shared folder you want to remove, then click to highlight it, then click the delete button at the top. Then also you have to confirm the deletion, which is the step 5. Then you will be prompted to confirm, check the box to confirm, permanently delete of data, then click yes to proceed. And that's how you can simply delete a folder on Synology NAS DSM. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.